In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Trello notifications. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, make sure your web browser is open and head over to the Trello website. Once there's a secure connection, log into your account. Now that you're logged in, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll notice several options there. Go ahead and click on the Settings icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you'll be able to manage all your notification preferences. Now let's talk about email notifications. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate the Email Notifications section. Here you can choose how frequently you want to receive updates from Trello. If you're someone who needs immediate notifications as changes happen, you can select the Instantly option. This will ensure that you are alerted in real time for any updates on your boards. However, if you find these constant notifications to be overwhelming and would rather have fewer interruptions, you might want to select the Periodically option, which could be set to deliver hourly summaries or even daily summaries in some cases. Next, we'll customize your specific alert types. Still, in the notification preferences, take a good look at the list of event types available. This is your opportunity to tailor your notifications based on your preferences. You can check the boxes next to the activities you want to stay informed about. For example, notifications when someone leaves a comment or moves a card can be really useful. However, if there are certain activities that you don't want to be disturbed by, go ahead and uncheck those boxes. This gives you control over what you want to hear about. Now, let's move on to watching specific boards or lists for activity. If there's a particular project that you want to keep a close eye on, you can enable notifications for that board. Just open up the board you're interested in. In the board's menu or settings, look for the Watch option. By enabling this feature, you'll receive notifications specific to the activity on that board. For even more precise control, let's say you want to focus on a particular list within that board. You can do this by clicking on the three dots next to any specific list. When you click there, select Watch, and this way you will only receive updates for that particular column. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Trello notifications, making your experience much more enjoyable and less cluttered. You'll be able to stay informed on what truly matters to you while minimizing any distractions. That's all for today's video on how to turn off Trello notifications. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using your favorite productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!